Welcome to the AP Wizard, Olsen's AP automation solution designed for Vista users. In this demo, we will showcase how AP Wizard simplifies and automates your accounts payable process. What sets the AP Wizard apart from other AP automation solutions? The AP Wizard integrates directly with your existing AP email inbox. There's no need to send invoices to a separate address. We leverage the latest OCR tech with GPT-4o, and we're excited to upgrade to GPT-5 as soon as it's available. Enjoy real-time data flows with flawless integration into Vista, eliminating any integration issues. Our solution doesn't duplicate Vista functionalities. We automate data entry and enhance Vista with full AP and vendor statement workflows. No need to set up separate approval workflows or users. The AP Wizard automatically codes purchase orders and subcontracts, including detailed line items. It identifies discrepancies and facilitates internal and vendor communication. If missing information or have incorrect tax amounts, our templates can automatically send out the necessary details to vendors and project managers. We can identify discrepancies in line item details smoothly and provide resolution options. Lastly, we offer advanced workflows to manage taxes seamlessly. Our goal is to get every invoice from your inbox to AP unapproved in less than 10 clicks or keystrokes. Additionally, you'll never have to go back to Vista for invoice modifications. Everything can be handled directly within the AP Wizard. We will go through 5 examples: account statements, subcontracts, purchase orders, SM work order, and manual coding of invoice. Let's take a look at account statements. The main purpose here is to identify missing invoices. We can also review reconciliation differences. In this example, we can see there's an invoice that hasn't been received. To address this, we click Send Response Email. An email template is automatically created, listing all outstanding invoices. Additionally, you can choose to include received invoices in the email, such as this one under review in unapproved accounts payable. Once we've reviewed the information, we click Send to notify the vendor. Now, let's look at another example. Some account statements can get long and complicated. In these cases, simply click Send Response Email. The system quickly identifies all outstanding invoices. Again, we can choose to include received invoices. With one click, you can send the email to notify the vendor. Let's take a look at a subcontract invoice. We can see that the AP Wizard has pulled in the total cost plus the freight from the invoice and has coded it to item 1. The reason it's associated with item 1 could be due to a number of factors such as description or total cost. Everything looks to be correct. The process has been fully automated, meaning we have no data entry to do. We can now click Submit to Vista. Let's take a look at how the invoice will appear in Vista. We will use invoice number 12767000004. First, open up AP Unapproved Invoice Entry in Vista. We will display the grid in the header. Next, we will filter by the invoice number that we will be submitting. Let's go back to the AP Wizard and click Submit to Vista. Now we can go back to Vista, click Refresh, and see that the invoice has appeared. We can see that the line item details have all been brought into the grid. We can also view the vendor invoice as an attachment. Now your invoice is ready to be approved. Let's take a look at a purchase order invoice. We can see the header and line item information has been automatically pulled in. Here, we have the PO number pulled in. We notice the PO number doesn't exist in Vista. Historically, this vendor doesn't submit invoices with a PO or SL number. To address this, we click either Change Type to Other or by selecting Other at the top. Next, we click on View Other Line Item Predictions. Here, we can see that historically, these have been coded to either a job or an expense account. The description on the invoice shows this purchase is a computer, which likely falls under GL account for office equipment. We then click Apply to All to apply this prediction across the invoice. And we're all done! We can now click to submit the invoice. Let's take a look at SM work order. Again, we can see the header and line item information has automatically pulled in from the invoice. The symbol here indicates that the cost type will need to be manually assigned. To assign this, we'll click on Edit. Next, we'll click SM cost type. For this case, we'll associate it with cost type 5. Once confirmed, we will click Save. Now we can apply this coding universally. In addition, we have a feature enabling attachment of documents to emails. In this instance, a tax discrepancy of $17.80 has been identified due to our tax exemption status. We can inform the vendor by clicking Send Response Email and incorrect taxes. Here we have a template to inform the vendor of our tax exemption and request a revised invoice. We are able to attach the exemption certificate here and click Send to email it to the vendor. Once that has been resolved, we can submit to Vista. In this example, we will manually code the invoice. We can see that the line description has been automatically summarized in the AP Wizard to meet Vista's 30-character limit. To begin, click the drop-down menu and select Edit. Next, click Job. Now we have a full list of jobs. For this example, we will select Christopher School. We will now need to select a cost type. If there is only one cost type for the selected job code, it will automatically populate. Now we can hit Save. Let's explore some additional features. On the right tab, we can click Payment Override. This will give you the option to override payments. In the Center tab, you can add reviewer groups. Click Review Groups to view the members in the group. We can also manually select individual reviewers. This will give us the option to mark the reviewer as optional or approve with missing data. Once this is all complete, we can hit Submit to Vista. Thanks for watching our demo. Contact us to learn more about our AP Wizard today.